y'all. Welcome to a remote edition of Beer Porn. Today we're going to have an old classic, Abita Purple Haze Raspberry Lager. Abita was my first introduction to craft beer. Way back when I lived in the Florida Panhandle, and while the rest of the world was jumping on this craft bandwagon, we didn't have a whole lot originally. It eventually caught on, and like I said, Abita was the first for me. And then we had whoever it is in Atlanta, and Cigar City in Tampa. Who was it in Atlanta? It's one I really like. And then one up in New England that I really like and can't remember the name of. It sucks getting old. Anyway. Purple Haze Raspberry Lager. It's a low ABV, 4.2%. No glasses today because I'm remote. Sorry for the road noise in the background. But a wonderful view. Smells like an adjunct brew with some fruit flavor. Tastes like an adjunct brew with fruit flavor. But not the yucky kids alcopop taste that you get from some of these seltzers and other brews. It tastes more real fruitish. It's got a nice funk. It's just a good, solid raspberry lager, if you like that kind of thing. The funk helps keep it real. My taste buds have had so many more. I'm a hophead, so my tongue's burned out from 100 IBU IPAs and triple IPAs and double IPAs and quadruple IPAs. But still refreshing, still the winner it's always been, and still a good, especially if you're eating some jambalaya or something down in New Orleans, out there in the swamps. Help cool your tongue a little. Anyway, that's it. Purple Haze by Abita from New Orleans. And I'm homesick for New Orleans and wandering around drunk on Bourbon Street with hurricanes. And it's hard to find a Zydeco band on Bourbon anymore. I know it's all countrified and hard rock and daiquiri bars, but there's still enough of it, especially some of the side streets and back roads and all that. But anyway, enough rambling. That's all we got. Purple Haze. Try it. You might like it. Thanks for watching. And cheers.